We are in one of the most dangerous businesses in the entire construction industry.
What are our injuries? What are the safe hazards that we're having?
We are able to now attribute volume of quality audits with decrease of incidents and injury. That shows us that if you do this better, this gets better, and we all win.
It's critical. I mean, we needed this.
We have about 645 fieldmen across 50 states. The consequences are just too great.
How many times do you watch the news in the morning and hear about a freak accident?
One mistake could take your life.
We consider ourselves a family, and no one wants our family to get injured.
Back when I started roofing, it was normal for us to go up on a roof and just go to work, not be tied off.
Anything above 6 foot is a severe hazard to death.
Working on edges 2 stories up, it was just what we did.
In the past, we weren't looking for enhancement of our program. We were pencil whipping the guys, basically looking for the mistakes.
You know, I think it was just an old construction culture. I don't think it's different than anybody else's that had it.
You know, we use paper forms. Where did the paper go? In someone's desk, in a filing cabinet. You know, the information kind of died right there.
What happened in your world happened in your world and didn't go anywhere else.
I was frankly tired of the antiquated way of capturing the information that we absolutely needed to become better.
iAuditor's been able to help us confine the data so that we can identify what's the best approaches.
This was the best tool that I saw that gave us the ability to do it our way.
He knew he was going to have to daily collect data, and someone was going to have to be able to review it. And when it's so many people, so many places, I mean, really, right now, it's only Roe and 2 of his safety managers for the whole country.
What sold us on it was we had the ability to take that tailored form, disseminate it across the full breadth of thousands of people, and have them personalize it to their particular job.
Roe knew that this was a very simple process for him to do, and he could build it to fit our organization.
All right, guys, we've all conducted our DTAs for the day. We're gonna have our flag lines up, our safety lines 6 foot from the edge. Don't go outside
The
of them.
DTA is a daily task analysis that truly believe that it's essential to our business. It's essential to saving lives.
A DTA is an overview of the hazard you've identified. You know, what kind of fall protection do we need? Are the walls high enough? Are there skylights? Are the skylights unprotected?
If there's something that needs to be flagged, you need to flag it and make us aware of it.
Our new method for doing DTAs through iAuditor has been able to provide extreme visibility to what they're doing in the field.
We're getting to get a really good picture with the photos and the notes that they're adding into the DTAs.
Everybody does it.
Some of these things that one guy might have missed, 4 guys won't miss it.
But they all have to do the DTA on their phone. They all have to walk through the questions and the answers so that they're all aware.
If you're on a roof, you're doing a DTA.
Hey, I was just viewing a DTA from Eric Shepard.
I engage in the daily task analysis in the auditor program every single day that I wake up.
And I noticed down in the body of the DTA, he's talking about some...
The iAuditor program's been so good by being able to have our guys more engaged in what can we do to make your job better and safer.
Once we started preaching that message to them that this is an empowerment tool, it just caught like wildfire.
I think it's important that they see that each of them matter.
They are just fully engaged with the process because they know that something they did just from an everyday work experience actually matters.
One of the biggest things I learned when we instituted this program is how aware our guys were, but how afraid they were to say anything.
You can pull the data out of iAuditor and say, okay, we have an issue we need to identify. How do we help them?
So that has just eliminated, virtually taken away a lot of the near misses because of the awareness that the program's brought onto us.
The iAuditor process, specifically the DTA, I know for a fact, has had 2 situations where it saved a life on a project.
Everybody now has the same message, and I'm not sure that 5-10 years ago we had the same message.
We just really have instituted a safety culture that's unheard of in the industry, to live this culture. Everyone says it, but we live it.